So, you know, we're in this little Ford Focus that we bought. You know, y'all know if y'all seen the video of me picking it up from the auction, you know, we're in the little Ford Focus, 2006 Ford Focus. Y'all know it had a little dent in the stuff in the fender and like the little in the driver's side. So we about to go drive it down here to a body shop I found. Lucky told me about the other body shop, so I'm about to go take it there and check them out, and you know, basically see how this one turns out. So, man, let's go. Let's take it. You know, when I get there, I'll show you. I'll let you see what it looks like before, and then, you know, then we can do like kind of like a before and after, and I'll just make this all in one video, so y'all will see the before and the afters. But you know, hopefully they can straighten the fender up. Hopefully I don't have to get another fender and get it painted and stuff like that. Hopefully they can just straighten everything out. But let's get to it. Let's go. So we brought it to my guy. Now see, he said he's gonna straighten it up. So straighten it. So hopefully, you know, it comes out straight. Said he fixed the mirror. You know, so straighten it. Not gonna worry about this little damage in the bumper. You know, I'm not gonna be too. That's the main thing. I want this, you know, straight and looks good. So, you know, straight. Yeah, I thought I was gonna go with those other guys, but they was talking about some crazy prices. You know, I just need this straightened. I know they're trying to do, like, he was trying to explain to me like he was trying to do like the best work that he can do. You know, the best. You know, he's gonna do a great job, and you know, everything is gonna be looking all nice and stuff like that. Me, I just need to just straighten. I just need to just be straightened and look good. You know, straighten and look good. I don't need it to all that extra stuff. So this guy, I take it to my guy. I should have brought it to him to begin with, you know. So he's gonna straighten it up and get it taken care of for me, you know. So he said it'll be ready tomorrow. So y'all see what it looks like today. So we'll come back tomorrow when he calls me and tell me it's ready, and we'll see what it looks like after it's all straightened up. So I'm about to call my ride so I can get picked up. I know where we had to pull up. Had to pull up to my old body shop. Y'all see. Got to get in the car, it's ready, but y'all see the Ford Focus in the back, like y'all see it. So I'm gonna have him. So he's gonna straighten the fender, and Jenner is gonna fix the 2 door handles. So I'll come back tomorrow. I'll have 2 good door handles and straighten fender, and then I'll clean that car up, and then it'll be ready for sale. You know, because that's all that was wrong with it. You know, it didn't have any more mechanical issues, and I'm gonna go to the salvage yard and get the little shifter myself, and the little knob. It's like a little knob. So I'll go get the shifter myself. But that ain't a big deal. So y'all see it in the before. Then we'll come back tomorrow and y'all see the after. So y'all let me know how it goes. So y'all see where we back at, man. We back here about to pick up this car. See how it turned out. You gotta bring the BMW out. It need to be washed. That little girl driving. Let me go. Y'all see it. Need to be cleaned up. Go clean it up today. Y'all see it. Y'all know where we at. Got all these cars, but see what my car is. What's going on? It come out good? Look at that, you got all these cars over here making all that money, Jenner. Let's see. Got us all parked up over here. Oh, let's see how she turned out. Okay. What y'all think? Came out pretty good. I think I can get a little paint. I should have told him to touch this up, but I can get a little paint and touch that up myself. But it came out, look, all straight. You know, got a little crinkle in there, but I'll take this tape off the mirror. Take that off the mirror, but other than it came out good. You know, yeah, straighten it up. Yeah, I should have told him to touch up the paint. Should have told him, but I ain't tripping. I can get a little paint and touch that up. That ain't gonna hurt. But it came out good. You know, straightened up. Got the door handles on there. Bam. So now we can roll up the window. What's going on, Jenner?
What's up, buddy? How are you?
Why y'all got me all parked in like this, man? I can't even get my car out. Can't even get my. Look at that. You got all these cars over here. You talking about you ain't making no money. You got all these cars over here. You making all the money.
I'm broke. I buy all this shit. I'm not selling nothing right now.
You know.
Yeah, he's ready.
All right.
It's
$300. Oh man, you crazy. I see what this crazy man he talking. He tried to get me. Tried to get me. We can't let that happen. But nah, y'all see how it turned out. The other side was already clean. I'll show y'all the other side though. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. All straightened and ready to go. I mean, the other side don't look as good as this side, but you know, don't look. You know, the little crinkle right there. But once that paint is touched up, like once you get a little paint and touch that up, it's gonna look good. Get that off this window. It'll be good. But y'all see it? It's got some tires on there. About to go buy some hubcaps for it. Vacuum out the inside. Get this little tape off there. Grab a little paint, touch it up. But hey, you can't beat it. You know, he straightened it up. You know, y'all see what it looked like before. Now he straightened that up. Straightened it all up for me for $100. But you know, I've been doing business with him for a while. You know, you can't beat it. $100 to get it straightened. You see, I tried to charge me $300. Nah, but I had him put on some door handles too. But you know, this is where I use the body shop in the back, and I use the mechanic to do some mechanic work. And y'all probably seen it from Lucky's video. So, but appreciate you guys for tuning in, and if you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Once again, I'm out. Peace. See y'all.